Hello everyone, I'm sharing today this crochet yellow tiny flowers. For this we need this yellow thread, one brown, make a slip knot, then we are going to make a chain, four chains. Make a slip stitch in the first chain, we are going to use this as a loop. You can make a magic circle also, but here I'm doing this method. Insert the hook in this loop and make a single crochet, yarn over, pull through, two loop, it's a single crochet. Insert the hook again, yarn over, pull through to the two loops. Single crochet in this loop. After completing this loop, we are going to attach yellow color thread for petals. Keep continue doing this. We made 12 single crochet. Now we have to make a slip stitch. We are closing this circle, this round. So the first chain from this row, we are going to make a slip stitch. We are going to attach a yellow color for petals. You have to pull this yellow thread in the any one chain. Make a chain 1 and now start with again. We are starting our petal here. Chain 1 again, chain 2, chain 3, 4, we are going to insert our hook again in the same chain and make a slip stitch. I'm making here slip stitch. This is our first petal flower. Next chain, insert the hook and make a slip stitch again. Then again chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need 5 chains for one petal. Make a slip stitch in the same chain. Next chain, let's go to the next chain. I'm securing this thread behind this slip stitch in the next chain. Again chain 5, and then again we are going to make a slip stitch in the same chain, like one petal in one chain. We are going to make one flower petal in one stitch. In last chain I made a slip stitch as usual, and then chain 1, and you can just pull through the thread. So you can see this, you just need to cut the thread like this and pull this. The knot is ready. You just need to secure the thread behind with this needle.